Trap. Today's prompt for Inktober 2020 is trap. So for this drawing, I wanted to make something which is very relevant, like I have been doing for the past 15, 16 days of Inktober. So as far as relevance is concerned for trap, I realized while I was holding my mobile phone in my hand that this is a trap. You can not really understand, like, it is not a very easy thing to understand what the trap is that we are falling for, because is there anything now that we can imagine without a mobile phone? Like, assume if there is no COVID-19 and you are supposed to go out, are you able to go out without your mobile phone? In fact, I have seen my friends going into the washroom with mobile phones. So it is definitely a trap somehow, and there are good things and definitely bad things of this kind of a trap. I would say even social media, it has been a trap. I've seen kids stop going to play football or cricket. I mean, mostly these are the two sports that we used to play here in India when we were kids, but nowadays I have seen my niece or nephews, none of them are really that much interested in going out for a activity, be it sports or anything. They just like to play games in the mobile phone, and that's definitely not good for the future of the world, isn't it? Like, we are nowadays this kind of a generation where we see even online events of mobile phones enabling, and whenever kids they see these things, they are tempted, like, when will we get this kind of a mobile phone and play games or make videos of it? There are so many bad things that's happening throughout the world. I have recently was reading an article on the newspaper that the western world thinks that all the scams are done from the Indian subcontinent, that is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and these places. But I must remind you that even Indians, we commoners here, we are also facing the similar scams. These are called UPI scams. These are done through mobile phones. That's it. People are getting robbed badly. And this kind of a trap is something that is not what was intended. Like, mobile phones were there, it was invented for ease of communication and not to fall prey of these things. Nevertheless, there are definitely good things because YouTube itself is a very good thing. I have been on YouTube as a creator, and before that I was watching so many videos, inspiring videos of drawing and artists, and a lot of artists, they inspired me to start my own channel. So YouTube has been a great thing for me. Then again, there are other social medias where we just invest our time and have no productivity anyways. So, you know, it's a huge debate, but somehow, somewhere we all understand that it is a trap. So I haven't spoken much about the drawing today because a trap in itself, the illustration that I wanted to depict, has got so many meanings. So I just wanted to explain myself why I sketched this one and this way. So this is a hand which is like chained with the mobile phone, and like with handcuffs, we cannot come out of them without the key. It's the same thing, we have lost the key. So this is the concept of the drawing. I saw this on a Google Images. It was a digital kind of a print and mixed my thoughts with it, and this is what I got. So I'd love to know what you think about trap. See you again tomorrow for the next video on Inktober. Bye bye.